how things are done in international markets, and we can also do it. It's not a very difficult kind of thing to do. Okay, as Arijit has said that with the right earnest. So I saw these students of Melbourne University. I also connected with them. They are so enthusiastic and they really want to do something for Tripura. So it was very nice. And of course, he is the catalyst. Arijit is the catalyst who is driving all this. So if this can happen, it will be great. So এখন যেটা আমরা শুনতে চাই is from you. We have some, I think, 10-15 minutes. তো আপনাদের থেকে আমরা শুনতে চাই, so last 4 days.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, টেক ইওর টাইম। আমি ভাবছিলাম মাঝে মাঝে আমার ইন্টারনেটটা আপ ডাউন করছে, তো হ্যাভ আই লস্ট ইউ অল? ঠিক আছে, টেক ইওর টাইম, দেয়ার ইজ নো রাশ। আমার এরপরে আর দুটোই স্লাইড আছে, we wouldn't take much of your time. তো
আমার মনে হয় স্ক্রিনশট নিয়ে রাখলেও হবে, স্ক্রিনশট নিয়ে রাখতে পারেন যাদের লিখতে সময় লাগছে।
হ্যাঁ, এটা and that is why I'm just emphasizing ki just make a note of what would you want to do. That's it. Ar eta I'll just share this freely. I already have sent a copy to Jayanto. He can share it with all of you or with Shuman Babu, so that this reaches everyone if you want to have it. ঠিক আছে? Let's go to the next one.
It's done.
Thank you. This is the last two slides on Jayanto mentioned about this, that we were doing something with the University of Melbourne. So this is still work in progress, but I'll just give you a little bit of brief of what we are trying to do. Essentially, we are trying to connect non-resident people of Tripura and Northeast to the residents. So this will start as a pilot for Tripura, but the idea is then to replicate it for other states in Northeast and other places after that. So this is a three-tiered approach. Now, what is so special about connecting residents and non-residents? A lot of time with Jayanto as well, and other people who have gone out and stuff, and they figured out that artists, artisans, and their access to global market is a key requirement that will benefit the state. Mentoring young students on career options is the other key area that people will get benefited, because when you pass out from there and you are passing out from a school, you don't know what to do. You're passing out from college, then you don't know how to get a job. So mentoring there. Supporting health and well-being of senior citizen was another area. Sitting in pandemic, it's a mental health issue for people all around the world. Tar moddhe, if you are a senior citizen, you can imagine what's happening out with you. How can we support them? So, tinte initiative we had identified. So these three initiatives will be part of that platform. One very key initiative out of that, as I told you, is to support what we are talking about today. So if I just rephrase it once again as to what benefits will it be for artists and artisans, thousands of alumni, 50,000, if we can get to the end result, 50,000 of alumni from Tripura, and if I then calculate Northeast, it will be at least 10 times more. So we are talking about then 500,000, 5 lakh people in every part of the world will help in two ways. They can become your captive customers to buy for themselves, and then they can mentor you and become your brand ambassador in the country they are living. There are 132 odd countries probably. Artists will get better price for their work, because this is another probably large problem today, that if you go through a very big art house or very big stuff, most of the time a lot of money is kept by them, more so when it's getting exported outside. You don't get that returns. So in this of a transparent platform, you will get the best price or the market price that the audience is willing to pay you from outside. Your artist's life will be showcased and not just the work, because we have to focus on our culture. We have to focus on the people who are making it. What are they thinking when you are making it? So it will be in the air. আজকে we will discuss all of these things. Next year we will again do the same things. So and this is open for discussion, and probably Shuman Babu, you will have to take a lead. Professor Jayanta Chakraborty will take a lead on this as to what are the steps. So first step, there are some obvious steps. One is, how can you become visible on social media, and what is the timeline that collectively you think that in 1 month or 2 months or 3 months all of you will be on social media. Give yourself that timeline. If you want to do an online art portal, what is the timeline by which you want to be on that art portal? If there is something which is existing, that is fine enough. That is also good enough. Then you can think of how can everybody go into that website and start doing this. The idea is to get the job done. If there is something, আর আমি দেখছিলাম মানে what are the other options, কারণ আমার মনে হয় বাপাও আপনি last 2-3 times you were saying আমরা কিছু collectively করতে পারি কিনা, কারণ obviously প্রত্যেকের পক্ষে ওয়েবসাইট ইন্ডিভিজুয়ালি করা ইজ ডিফিকাল্ট, তো কালেকটিভলি কিছু করা যায় কিনা, অফকোর্স করা যায়। এবং আমি দেখছিলাম, আমি এমনি একটু রিসার্চ করছিলাম যে অনলাইন আর্ট গ্যালারি গুলো কিরকম হয় অস্ট্রেলিয়ায়, অন্য জায়গায়। তো what I found is, I just took a random example of this website called bluethumb.com.au. I'll just try to quickly go in there and navigate that page and show you probably what is there in it.
Sir, excuse me.
হ্যাঁ বল, নামটা
তরুণ চন্দ্র from Guwahati.
হ্যাঁ, tell me.
অনলাইন আর্ট এক্সিবিশন ন্যাশনাল লেভেলে আমরা একটা শুরু করেছি ন্যাশনাল আর্ট ক্লাব এর ব্যানারে, আর এটা অলরেডি 15 তারিখ থেকে শুরু হয়েছে। ফেসবুক, ইনস্টাগ্রাম আর ইউটিউবে চলছে। এখানে অল ইন্ডিয়া লেভেলের সব আর্টিস্টরা আছেন, জুনিয়র এবং সিনিয়র। আমরা যেমন আইকেএস ইউনিভার্সিটি, কলকাতা গভর্নমেন্ট আর্ট কলেজ, আসাম ইউনিভার্সিটির প্রফেসর থেকে শুরু করে গুয়াহাটি, এই বিভিন্ন জায়গা, আমাদের নাগাল্যান্ড আছে, অরুণাচল আছে, ও দিল্লি থেকে সাউথ ইন্ডিয়া, সব জায়গার আর্টিস্ট এখানে পার্টিসিপেট করেছেন এবং 15 তারিখ থেকে চলছে। আর আজকে যেটা 15 তারিখ থেকে স্কাল্পচার ডিপার্টমেন্টের কাজগুলো চলছিল, আজ থেকে শুরু হলো পেন্টিং, এবং সেখানে ভি নাগদাস স্যার যিনি
উনি এসেছিলেন প্রথম দিন, রাইট?
উনি আজ আমাদের এটা ওপেনিং করেছেন অনলাইনে। তো এইটা চলছে, তো আমাদের এইভাবেই শুরু হয়েছে। তো আমরা দেখছি যে জিনিসটা মানুষ পজিটিভলি নিচ্ছে, এবং আমার মনে হয় যে সব আর্টিস্টদেরই এরকম ভাবে, বা সাধারণ মানুষও যদি তার নিজের যে কোনো পারফরমেন্স আছে এগিয়ে আসে দেখানোর জন্য পাবলিককে, এখন এইটাই ঘরের মধ্যে বসে থেকে একটাই মাধ্যম, ইউটিউব, ফেসবুক, ইনস্টাগ্রাম, এইটাই বলার। এবং যারা আরো তাদের কাজ নিয়ে এগিয়ে আসতে চায়, তো ন্যাশনাল আর্ট ক্লাব
আমাকে একটু ন্যাশনাল আর্ট ক্লাব দিলে ইট উইল কাম আপ, রাইট? তো আমি দেখে নিচ্ছি, ঠিক আছে, ভেরি নাইস। তো অলরেডি কিছু হচ্ছে, which is a very very positive sign, which is a very very positive sign. তো ব্লু থামে যদি আপনি দেখেন, মানে it probably is the same concept. ওরা কি করছে, they have put up an art gallery. There are a few subdivisions of the way they have done it. তো all art একটা গ্যালারি আছে, staff picks, মানে if there is a new art buyer who doesn't understand which is probably better than the other or whatever, স্টাফরা কিছু কিছু পিক করে দিচ্ছে। জাস্ট সোল্ড একটা দেখাচ্ছে যে কি রকমের, দিস উইল গিভ ইউ অ্যান আইডিয়া অফ কি রকম আর্ট অলরেডি সোল্ড হচ্ছে। পপুলার কালেকশনস দিচ্ছে বাই ক্যাটাগরিজ, যে কোন টাইপের আর্ট, তাই কোন ক্লায়েন্টে যদি if they have a specific type of requirement, they can look at, okay, I'll just go into that and see. Then they are putting categories of painting, the size of paintings depending on what you need, small, medium, large, extra large, watercolor, drawing, mixed media artwork, resin paintings. So all of that categories are out here. Most importantly, artists. Just like the author of a book, the artist's story has to be told. That is very important. Karan, apni ki, would you ever read a book where you don't know who is the author? It has never happened in anywhere, right? That you are reading a book and if somebody asks who is the author, you say, I don't know. Unfortunately, for art, craft, these things is so random because the story of the artist never gets told. So we have to break that jinx. The story of the artist is equally or even more important than the art creation. So, and this is followed everywhere. So there is a section for the artist. Then collectible art, interior design, all of that are the way. This also we have spoken earlier. Joyanta has been speaking about it from day one. Like there is an art, and then you say what is the size, and then the photograph, who did it, and what is the price, and this is that call to action which Joyanta was talking in the first session. That okay, I know the price, I know the size, I know who has done it. I can go into her segment and also look about her and all of that. And then I go to that call to action after reading about her other works. Because if I like her and for some reason don't like the painting, I like the pattern of the painting, then I go and see what other drawings do the same artist have. And this is where I get that collection and I click and buy afterwards. So largely this is the concept in which it goes. So you can now go and put up your art in a different way. Is there an echo that you are hearing? Okay, all good. Or you can collectively have your own website. So this is the third option of how can you collectively do something. Okay, now my exercise on the back of it. So how is done? So after this, so essentially what did we see? Okay, let's just summarize the actions. It can be create a collective website with a nice UX design, because that is very important. जो the international traffic आते हैं, the way the website looks has to be very, very good, because people create a perception. The website is looking very good, so everything else will be good. Fortune, bad or good, I don't know, but that is how it is with the international market. Collection of work of all willing artists and artist profile, focus on artist stories, use SEO, SCM, AdWords, or technical word gulo to jabo na, but this is basically just to increase the footprint of that website all over, so that more and more people can find it and come to it. Integrate it with some payment gateway because you want to do a transaction. There was a discussion around PayPal and all of that, so it's the same payment gateway. And yeah, pretty much that. Now the exercise for a minute again, probably just take a step back and think over it, that is there something which is already there? Do you agree if something has to be done? If something like this is done, will you be wanting to be part of it? Just take a minute, take a deep breath, think of what we discussed just now, and make your own note of what do you think will happen with that how in your context.